Hey, it's the morning weather briefing. This is for Tuesday, the 30th of January. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather pretty quiet for the rest of this week. There could be a few sprinkles tonight. Next meaningful chance of rain will be over the weekend. When does that start? We've got all the new model data in, so we'll look at it together. This is the upper air look this morning. And the one feature to watch is that little trough that's over the Great Lakes. We call those Alberta Clippers because they tend to originate in the Canadian province of Alberta, and they roll down a northwest flow aloft. That little wave will bring the chance of a few raindrops tonight, but probably not many. Check the radar this morning. You see that little band of showers over Illinois, Indiana, and Michigan. I say showers. Some of that's falling in the form of snow, and that's the feature that will bring that chance of a couple of raindrops tonight. We are below freezing in many spots this morning. Aniana, 23. Gadsden, 25. Cullman, 27. Huntsville at 29. Birmingham, 31. Montgomery, 33. Mid to upper 30s over the southern counties of the state. And we're expecting highs mostly in the 60s around Alabama today. We'll see a very nice warm-up. Should be a very pleasant afternoon. There's the watch warning map. We've got some winter storm watches in effect for some of the western states with a Pacific storm system coming in. Otherwise, things are very calm. Not a single thunderstorm expected across the country today. Tomorrow, maybe some thunder for the coast of California. And on day 3, which is Thursday, maybe some thunderstorms for parts of California and southern Arizona around Phoenix, but nothing severe expected. So the rain for the next 7 days. And again, our next really significant rain here will be over the weekend, probably Saturday night into Sunday. We could see some rain lingering on Monday. This is the rain valid through Tuesday morning of next week. For North Alabama, rain amounts 1/2 to 1 inch. South Alabama, rain amounts near 1 inch. Model fans, here we go, the GFS, the 06Z run, valid today at 4. And again, you can see the Clipper north of the state. Down below that, a batch of light rain over Kentucky. Let's go to the high-resolution HER, and this is valid this evening at, 5 o'clock, and things look quiet then. This is 8 o'clock tonight, O2Z, and if you look really carefully, the model shows a few little patches of precipitation over northeast Alabama, and that's about it. So if you're in Gadsden, Fort Payne, Scottsboro, Center, Leesburg, Gadsden, you might see a bit of light rain tonight, but the rest of the state, again, probably not a single drop. So tomorrow the Clipper is by, and we cool down by about 10 degrees. Highs go back in the 50s. The sky will be sunny. This is Thursday. We start the day below freezing for the northern half of the state. The high Thursday will be in the upper 50s for North Alabama, low to mid-60s for the southern counties of the state. And Friday looks like a nice day. Lots of sunshine with highs in the 60s. Very nice. So what about the weekend, you ask? This is Saturday, and we're still dry during the day with highs up in the 60s. South Alabama close to 70. Rain breaks out west of the state. Rain falling Saturday in places like Little Rock, Shreveport, Baton Rouge, New Orleans, Tulsa, Kansas City. And a pretty decent snow will likely unfold here for parts of Colorado, Wyoming, some of the mountainous states out west. And then on Sunday, the rain moves in here. Got a surface low under 1,000 millibars that's south of Memphis. But there's no surface-based instability. We'll be in the 50s. Don't expect any severe weather. There could be a rumble of thunder in a configuration like that. We'll check the European. It's almost identical. It's got that surface low closer to Greenville, Mississippi. But certainly Sunday at this point looks wet and cool with highs in the 50s. So Monday, kind of a complex upper-low swings in here, and we might be in a dry slot. But we're going to mention some rain at times on Monday, but it looks like the more widespread rain will be Sunday. Otherwise, Monday, cloudy and cool, will be in the 50s. And again, I know your favorite rogue Facebook page is forecasting a big snowstorm for Alabama this weekend. And that's the one that gets 30,000 shares and forces everybody to ask us, is it true? And, of course, it's nonsense. So please do not follow Uncle Joe's weather page, Storm Chaser Casey, Snowman Sam, SpongeBob. No. And then this is a week from today, Tuesday, the 6th of February. That upper low is over South Florida in the Bahamas. And we are in a dry slot, and the day should be cool and dry. Let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday, the 8th of February. Got a little shortwave ridge, and we're dry and pleasant. I say pleasant. Temperature's seasonal. So after the chance of rain on Monday, the rest of next week looking dry. And again, no sign of any Arctic air, and by that, really cold Arctic air for the next 10 days. We'll check rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble, the mean between 2 and 3 inches between now and the 13th of February. Here's a look at temperatures coming off the NBM, the National Blend of Models. And again, you can see there's no true Arctic air in here. And sure, we'll have a couple of mornings like this morning where we're below freezing, like Thursday morning. But generally highs in the 50s and 60s, lows in the 30s and 40s for the next 10 days. And the latest 8 to 14-day guidance, this is for the 6th through the 12th of February. Temperatures still a little above average here, below average back in the western third of the state. And you understand, we fully expect it to turn cold again. It will, but when that happens, we don't know. But there's some signals it might do that in a couple of weeks. We'll be watching for trends. So let's play Guess the Waterfall. If you're in Alabama, or maybe not in Alabama, but have connections here. So which waterfall is that? These photographs, by the way, taken yesterday. That would be Little River Falls up in northeast Alabama. All right, what about this one? That would be Larkwood Falls in Cullman. And one more. Nakalula Falls in Gadsden. We got some beautiful, beautiful scenery in this state. Beautiful day yesterday. How about speaking of Alabama, this was the sunset last night at Point Clear on Mobile Bay. That was taken from the Grand Hotel right below Fairhope. This was taken yesterday in Tuscaloosa. That would be the Black Warrior River. Good-looking sunset there. And this was taken up in the Tennessee Valley last night. And I dare you, I triple dog dare you to find a cloud in that sky. We had that cobalt blue sky going on yesterday. All right, so today headed to Demopolis, Alabama, seeing the kids at West Side Elementary School. And from there, I'll be speaking at Pelham Ridge Elementary School in Shelby County, so a couple of stops today. Tomorrow, Winterboro School in Talladega County. That'll be a lot of fun. Let's see, Thursday headed to Ivoly Elementary School up in Etowah County, and back to Etowah County on Friday for St. James Catholic School. And then Friday evening, I'll be hosting the American Baseball Foundation Banquet. That's a marvelous organization. I think Brian Jordan is the guest speaker, and the way we do it every year, I interview who speaks, and we just kind of talk, and it's a lot of fun. I'm a baseball guy, love baseball, and the ABF Banquet had some just amazing folks to come in over the years. Had Mitch Moreland, my friend, last year. That was great. But I believe it's Brian Jordan this year. Saturday, I'll be judging a chili cook-off in Shelby County. That'll be awesome. No book signing on Saturday. And a couple of notes, I'll be at the Rocket City Weatherfest in Huntsville on the 10th of February. And we are going to do a book signing at that event. I think we're going to make that possible after I speak. So if you want to get some of the shirts and all that, we'll be there at that event, which will be on the campus of UAH. And then on the 24th of February, I'll be in Nashville for the Nashville Severe Weather Day at Tribeca Nazarene University. And that's a big crowd. That's a great, great weather event if you just like weather. These are open to the public. So again, Huntsville on the 10th, Nashville on the 24th. And of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.